YouTube. If you have knowledge about any topic, start creating videos and upload them to YouTube. As your channel grows, you can earn money through YouTube ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. However, remember that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. The key is to create high-quality, valuable, and consistent content. Focus on helping or entertaining your audience, improve your videos with every upload, and stay patient. With dedication and consistency, your channel can become a reliable source of income. Affiliate marketing. Have you ever wondered how people earn money online without creating their own products? The answer is affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you promote a company's product or service using your unique affiliate link. Whenever someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission from the company. How to get started? First, join a trusted affiliate program. Next, choose products that match your niche or audience's interests. Generate your affiliate links and create valuable content around those products through YouTube videos, blogs, websites, or social media. Instead of simply sharing links, focus on providing honest reviews, tutorials, and helpful recommendations. When people trust your content and buy through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Tips for success. Promote only products you genuinely trust. Always provide honest and valuable information. Focus on building your audience's trust rather than chasing quick profits. Stay consistent and keep creating high-quality content. Important note: affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick method. Your earnings depend on the quality of your content, the trust you build with your audience, and how many people make purchases through your affiliate links. With patience, consistency, and the right strategy, affiliate marketing can become a reliable source of online income. Writing. Freelancing. Do you have a skill like content writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, digital marketing, translation, or AI tools? If your answer is yes, then freelancing can be a great way to earn money online. In freelancing, you work with clients from around the world on different projects instead of doing a full-time job for one company. You complete the work, deliver it on time, and get paid for your services. The more you improve your skills, build a strong portfolio, and maintain a good reputation with clients, the more opportunities you can get. With consistency and dedication, freelancing can become a reliable source of income. AI skills. Did you know that today, many people are earning money from home with the help of artificial intelligence, AI? AI is one of the fastest growing technologies in the world. By learning AI skills, you can improve your productivity, unlock new career opportunities, and earn money online. What are AI skills? AI skills mean knowing how to use AI tools effectively to complete different types of work. For example, you can use AI to write content, create images, generate video scripts, design presentations, assist with research, and complete many other digital tasks faster and more efficiently. How to learn AI skills? Start by understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. Then, explore different AI tools and practice using them every day. Build small projects, experiment with new features, and keep improving your skills through regular practice. The more you practice, the better you'll become at using AI effectively. How can you earn with AI skills? With strong AI skills, you can offer content writing services, create graphics and AI-generated images, write video scripts, design presentations and resumes, work on freelancing projects, provide AI-powered services to businesses. As AI technology continues to grow, learning these skills can open up many opportunities for online income and